Hello, I just wanted to give a quick update on the whole GameStop and my thoughts on the matter. So, yeah, let's get into it. For one, uh, the hedge funds that got into this, they knew the risk they were taking. So, like, if you know your risk and you still take the bet, if someone takes your bluff and calls it and you lose a lot of money, well, then that's on you. Okay? That's how it works. Accountability. You take responsibility and you take accountability for your actions. And it pisses me the fuck off when these hedge funds just go out and they say like need bailout, you need to fix this, need to shut down trading. No! If you're dumb enough to make bets and you lose them, well then take it's your responsibility. It's your fault. You're the one that made a dumb decision. Take it like a fucking man. Yeah. You're the one in the bad. It's your fault. Don't go crying to some legislator to fix your problem. It's your problem. You made the dumb bet. Anywho, there's a lot of things going on right now, especially around the GameStop stock, as well as a lot of other stocks that has been shorted quite substantially. So, I mean, it just gets me so angry thinking about this, because it's just so irrational. So I can't find words for it. It's just it's so beneath human decency, and I don't. It's like. If this was a regular person that invested, and then suddenly the stock went down 1,000%, hedges wouldn't care. Politicians, like, no one would care. They'd be like, oh, sucks to be you. But now there's a $1 billion hedge fund suddenly loses money. Oh no, we gotta shut them down. We gotta do this. We gotta stop them from. No! No! Accountability. Accountability. If you make stupid bets, then you stand for the stupid bets. You eat your losses. That's how it works. Welcome to real world. This is the real world. That's how it works. You do stupid shit, you get stupid results. Yeah, and you need to live with them. And it's time for them to live with their stupid decisions. That said, I would not recommend people to just throw their savings or anything else into the stock like GameStop or other shorted stocks, because it's still gambling. And gambling with your savings is never a good idea. So don't do that. What you should do, however, is that if you, again, I'm not giving investing advice. I'm not your financial advisor, so you can't I'm just a random guy on the internet. So don't listen to me. But if you're gonna do anything, then you should first of all take a look at how things are in the market and what your stock is actually about. Don't just buy stocks for no reason. That will not end well. Okay? With that said, I would like to say that I think they will get what they have coming to them. Apps like Robinhood, for instance, has been limiting their ability to buy and trade these stocks, especially the Gamestop stock. And I think they will have a pretty severe backlash from this. In the worst case scenario, I don't know, maybe they even get shut down. But yeah, I don't know how it will go. Nobody does, I guess. I mean, it's anyone's guess. What I do know is that they have a class action lawsuit against them going to Congress. And it will be interesting to see how that turns out. Also, there's a lot of hype on the news right now about the GameStop stock and others that's been shorted to ridiculous amounts, up to 70 or 80%. And I think they will also go up, since they will be experience a short squeeze most likely. But over the long run, I mean, it's not gonna stay up at $1,000 or whatever, how high they go. So if you're in it for long term, you really need to be careful. Otherwise, you may lose out. Also, a very interesting thing to think about is that when events like these happen, there are always, what would you say, less viewed parts of the market that's often undervalued. So if you're smart, you may be able to find stocks that are currently undervalued because everyone's looking at GameStop and other such stocks. Then you may be able to find a good deal now on the other stocks that no one's looking at. That said, I mean, let me know in the comments below if you find anything interesting, and I'll check it out. Otherwise, I'll be seeing you in a bit. I'm not sure. I think I'll be updating in maybe at the end of the day. It's the morning here in Japan, which is basically the night in the United States, I believe. So yeah, stay safe, and I hope you make smart decisions in this very volatile market. See you around.